everyone. We are in that third week of December already. Alright, so let's see what day of the week it is today. Let's say our days of the week. You say them with me. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. What day is today? We're going to look right here at, it starts with a T. It starts with TU. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. What number would you expect to see here? Oh my. Let's count over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Today is the 15th. Let's say the date together. Today is Tuesday, December 15th, 2020. All right, so we've been talking about counting by 5s and 10s and reasons that you might count by 5s and 10s. Do you remember one of the reasons I said that you might need to count by 5s or 10s? Because you need to count something really fast, or guess what? In this case, when you're counting this coin, you have to count by 5s because it's worth 5 cents. What is this coin? Do you remember? It's a nickel, and it's worth 5 cents. So when you count nickels, you have to count by 5s. There's no other way to count them to get the right amount of money. And we have to count by 10s when we, what is this one? That's my special one that I call a dinky dime because it's the smallest coin, but it's worth 10 cents. So when I count these, I have to count by 10s to know how much money I have. So let's see if we can count our nickels by 5s together. All right, and then we'll figure out how much money that is. You ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Oh my goodness, do you know how many nickels were there? I'll tell you, 10 nickels. It takes 10 nickels to make 50 cents, okay? And we counted them by 5s and we got to 50, so that means there's 50 cents here, all right? Now let's count our dimes, our dinky dimes, by 10s because it's worth 10 cents, and let's see how much money we have. You ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now, I counted, I know, because there are 10 dimes here. 10 dimes, and we got to 100. Do you know how much money it is if we got to 100? Well, it's 100 cents, if we want to say it in cents, but 100 cents equals $1. All right, let's see. Today we're going to talk about those UT words. That's our new word family, UT. So we're going to talk about words that end with UT, and we're going to add a letter at the beginning. Oh goodness, what could we add? All right, it just helps me think, and if I kind of look at the alphabet and I can kind of go through there and go, oh, I know, I can add B because that makes a word. Watch this. Do you know what this word is? But. Like if I say, I can go, but I have to do my work first. Right. Oh, and I can use C also. Look. If you have your marker board, you can write these with me. Look. Cut. But. Cut. Oh, I can use H too. Okay. Do you know what hut is? Do you know what a hut sort of a house. Okay, maybe made out of something in the forest or something. We call it a hut. Oh, I can put N in front of UT. N-U-T. What do you think that says? Nut. So we've got butt, cut, hut, nut. Let's see if there's anything else. Oh, I can use R and make rut. Now, a rut is like if you're driving down the road and there's a dip in the road, you might call that a rut. Okay. That's probably about it. So let's see. We've got nut, rut, butt, cut, and hut. Okay. Now, if you got your marker board, you can erase. And we're going to write a sentence together today. Okay? So get your marker board ready. We're going to write a sentence. And since it's getting close to the holiday that happens in December, do you know what that holiday is that happens in December? Christmas, right? My sentence today is going to be about someone. We'll see who you think it is, because I'm not going to put the name in there. I'm going to use a pronoun. I'm going to use he, because we have two new sight words, I and he. Now, we've written I lots of times, okay? And we know that means we're talking about ourselves, and if we're using it in a sentence, it gets a capital I. But there's also he. That's also a pronoun, and it also takes the place of someone's name. Let's see if you can figure out whose name it takes the place of when I write my sentence, all right? You write with me. My sentence is he here yet? I just need 4 words, all right? First word is. It starts with an I. I'm going to use a capital I because it's the first word in the sentence. So we're going to write I-S. You put that on your board. I-S, and then leave a nice 2-finger space. Then we're going to use that new sight word, he. Now that's a pronoun that's taken the place of somebody's name. We don't know who right now, right? He is H-E. Is he? I'm going to leave another nice space. Actually, I might have to go down here because I'm going to run out of room. My next word, is he here? That starts with an H. H-E-R-E. Is he here? Then I'm going to use one of our E-T words, yet. Is he here yet? Oh, did you hear my voice go up at the end when I said yet? That should give you a clue what kind of mark we're going to need. So I'm going to leave a nice space, and yet starts with a Y, and it ends with E-T. Is he here yet? Oh, what kind of a mark are you going to put on your board? Go ahead and put it, because I know you know it's a round down dot. A question mark, because we ask a question. Is he here yet? Now, who has figured out who he is? Because usually you wouldn't use this he in a sentence unless you had said something beforehand and said the person's name, and then you use pronouns after that because people know who you're talking about. Here there's nothing before it, so because I just wanted it to be a mystery. So who do you think he might be? It might be a question you might be asking in the next week or so. Think about it.